Engineers here in Singapore have created a smartphone-based gadget that can detect toxic algae in water in a matter of minutes. Now, this could help fisheries and public health officials tackle the challenges of climate change.
In 2015 and 16, algae blooms hit Singapore fisheries, killing hundreds of tons of fish. This is what motivated a group of engineers at the National University of Singapore to create a handheld device to provide advance warning.
With this device, we can actually detect early stages of algae that are not visible to the naked eye. So with a smaller concentration of algae being detected, it's actually easier to clean up at the early stage. So it actually kind of saves the time and the cost to clean up a smaller concentration of algae from the start.
The key component is a chip that's mounted above the phone. A drop of water is placed on the chip along with a fluorescent dye which stains the algae cells. The phone's screen displays a moving pattern of bright and dark areas. This generates an electric current on the chip as it has a special light-sensitive coating. The water sample begins to flow across the chip as the electric current changes the surface tension. The phone's camera takes images of the sample and an app begins to count the number of algae cells in the photos. In 15 minutes, it's all done.
Technically, water monitoring quality campaign takes at least 24 hours and up to 1 week to have the results of water quality. However, those water is already exposed to public, so it's really important to monitoring the water quality real time and on site.
The researchers say this new device has similar accuracy to conventional apparatus, but is cheaper by 10 to 100 times. And they're improving it so that it will be able to detect bacteria and viruses such as salmonella and dengue. That could come in handy as scientists expect algae blooms and infectious diseases to worsen with climate change and warming oceans.